probably might be battling with your small forex trading accounts. Don't worry, in this video I'm gonna be divulging everything to you, the step by steps involved in flipping small forex trading accounts. Joseph Gordon right here. I'm super excited to bring you this brand new video. So without further ado, let's get down into the video. Welcome back, guys. We have about 5 major concepts you need to know before you can be able to flip a small forex trading account. So the first quadrant here is you need to have a good trading strategy. Before you can be able to flip a forex trading account, you need a good trading strategy. Talking about strategy, what is strategy? Strategy is a tool that determines when a trader is ought to buy or ought to sell in a financial market. So if you are looking for any strategy, that the strategy that you can use in flipping your small forex trading account, you can check my previous video. I think I highlighted about 2 high win rate strategy that I personally used in the financial market. So the second aspect here is that you need to have a good risk management. Yeah, before you can be able to flip a forex trading account, you need to understand risk management. We all know that forex trading is highly risky. This is a disclaimer. Flipping is not sustainable. You can lose your money. You need to take note of that. So with that said, we all know that you can lose your money if you over leverage. So that is why I'm bringing this topic to you, which is the good risk management strategy. So what is risk management? Risk management is the tools that a trader uses to control the risk of trading. Now, the major risk management tool that I use is position size calculator. So talking about the risk management aspect of flipping, so what I personally use is position size calculator. Let me search it. Position, yeah, this is the one that I use. Position size calculator. So I use this one. If you want to flip a small forex trading account, just go down to this place. Say for instance you have $100 to flip. Say for instance you have $100 to flip. You have $100 trading account to flip. Just come to this point, put your amount, which is $100. Then risk percentage. Let's say you risk about 10% because it's a small amount. Then your stop loss point, let's say 15%. The currency, let's use BPSD. So then you calculate. So the recommended lot size for you to use is 0.06, and if the trade goes against you 15 pips, you'll be losing $10. So after you might have calculated your risk here, that is risk management for you. After you might have come here and calculate your risk here, which is you are ought to use 0.06, then you just come to your you just go to your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Say for instance you want to buy this trade, yeah, like this trade that I supported the last 30 days. Say for instance you want to buy this trade. So and your stop loss is very close. Let's say your stop loss is very close. Let's say your stop loss is 15 pips. Let me just do it like the one I said the other time. 15 pips. Let's just do it like this. Sorry. So let's say your stop loss was 15 pips. So I'm going to take profit with times 2, or even as the case may be, depends on what you targeted to make. So
What you are out to do, let me take this functionality out. So if you enter your point here 0.006 here, if you enter your 0.06 here, when price give us this bullish confirmation, you break even, you move your stop loss from the initial point, you break even to your entry point. You understand? Then you add another 0.06 at this level again. Why? Because price has closed above its strategic level, which is psychology level. You will add another 0.06 here and you will break even for your first entry. In that case, your first entry is risk free. Do you understand? The first entry is risk free. That is, you are not risking anything. You are using your unrealized profit from the market in placing this new position that you placed above psychology level. So as price keeps surging up, then you keep tightening your break even. Then if price break above this support and resistance, you can break even for the second point again. In that case, your loss in total should be about 0.12, because 0.06 plus 0.06, that is 0.12. So as price keep surging up, then when it gets to a strategic level and it is making some hesitation, that is when you will have to exit your trade, or when you are okay with the profit, that's when you have to exit your trade. So consistently doing this, you see that your small forex trading account will keep growing bigger and bigger.
So the third thing you need to know before you can be able to flip forex trading small account is you need higher leverage. Yeah, you need high leverage before you can be able to flip forex trading account, like small forex trading account, even big forex trading accounts. You need high leverage. So what is leverage? Leverage is the amount of money a broker gives to a trader to perform a specific transaction. The bigger the leverage, the bigger your buying capacity or your selling capacity. So with high leverage, you'll be able to maximize and place more trades on a winning position or on a winning trade. So the leverage that I strongly recommend for a small account flipping is minimum of 1 to 500. You can do 1 to 1000 and 1 to unlimited. So with bigger leverage, you'll be able to add more position, because when the odds are in your favor, you will ensure that you keep on adding more position, so that you can make maximum use of the opportunity. So the fourth point here is you need to have a good broker. The third one, I explained what you mean by leverage, which is the amount of money which a trader lends to a trader, which a broker lends to a trader to perform a specific transaction. So this broker, you need to have a good broker, which is what the people that will lend that you deposited your amount of money to them before you can be able to perform a specific transaction. And brokerage firm is the firm that helps the trader to make maximum use of their winning position. Like, what I mean in essence is that if you have a good broker, you'll be able to enjoy your winning trades, because if you have a broker that gives you small spread, that has a tight spread, when the odds are in your favor, you'll be able to maximize or gain more compared to that has wide spread. So the broker that I strongly recommend is in the description box. Click the link in the description box, below. Then you can sign up for free and you deposit your amount of money and start trading. So the fifth point, which is the last point here, is that you need strong psychology. If you've been following me for long, I seriously buttress on this part, which is psychology, because in the trading quadrant, we have psychology as the biggest part of trading, which takes almost 60% of the trading. So what is psychology? Psychology in trading refers to a trader's thinking process, the way you think, your emotion, your greed, your fear, anxiety, and what have you. So in flipping small forex accounts, first you need to deposit the amount with the mindset that I am ready to let this amount go. This is very crucial and important. If you don't deposit your school fees, your house rent, or money that you borrowed from a friend or a family friend or whatsoever, so you need to deposit the money that you know that yes, I am willing to let this money go. That even if this money goes, or if I blow this account, I won't be bothered with anything. That is the first thing you need to know. And before you can say yes, I want to flip this my account, it should be very small account, because it should be like maybe you have about $1,000 in your account before you can be able to flip, let me say $100 or $500. Yeah, because you can't just go and be flipping your life savings, because you can lose your money. You understand? So this aspect is very big. I don't want to make this video too long. So these are just the 5 major principles you need to know before you can be able to flip a forex trading small account. If you like this type of content, smash the like button, share this video to your family and loved ones, subscribe. I will see you on the next video.